Imagine getting passive income every single day by just holding a token, no trading required. Today, I'm going to show you how that is possible with BlockchainFX. So without further ado, let's hop straight into the video. Okay guys, so as you can see, I'm now logged into BlockchainFX. This is one of the demo accounts, and just look at how well it's put together. So as you can see right here on the left, your total portfolio, trading history, chat and support, market analysis, and even video tutorials. And as I mentioned, you can do loads on this platform. So if I click on this, you can do forex, stocks, cryptos, commodities, and EFTs. Look at all of that. The charts are really nice, as you can see, nice and clean. You have your open positions, your pending positions, buy, sell, take profit, stop loss, pip value. So everything you need is all in one place. The BFX pre-sale has already raised over $8.6 million and shows strong confidence to early investors. Early buyers benefit from lower prices before the next stage starts, so you don't miss out on this amazing opportunity. Okay guys, so this is the website of BlockchainFX, and they are the first crypto trading super app where you can do crypto, stocks, forex, bonds, all in one place, even EFTs. So if you're a trader, this is your one-stop shop. You can literally do everything on here. It's so convenient. So I don't know why more traders don't use BlockchainFX. Okay, so let me run you through their website for a little bit. Okay, guys, so as mentioned earlier in the video, the BFX pre-sale has already raised over $11 million, and it looks very confident for early investors. The early buyers will get the lowest prices during this pre-sale, so this is your cue to hop in and make use of this pre-sale. Okay guys, so as I said before, you can get daily staking rewards. So if you own BFX, you can get daily rewards in USDT for only owning BFX, and it will come from trading fees. And if you have larger holdings, you can earn up to $25,000 payouts. That is just absolutely insane for just owning BFX. With major CEX listings confirmed and a growing user base and millions in daily trading volume, BFX offers significant upside to early pre-sale participants. So don't miss out on this exclusive opportunity during the pre-sale window. Secure your BFX tokens now and use code YT30 for 30% extra coins. This will only be available during the pre-sale window. So hurry up, get your tokens and coins now. That will be a wrap for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like and hit the subscribe button. Turn on the bell so you don't miss a single video we upload. Until next time, cheers.